Hello, today another unboxing of a 3D printer. I was surprised 2 days ago. I got some new printer, some wooden box, a little printer. Wait. Don't move so fast, okay? Just slow. Little box. It was in a wooden box, and the wooden box was outside, so we lifted out of the wooden box, very massive. So the packing was very cool. And yeah, it was. Can you see it from this side? Yeah. It's a MSLA 3D printer Elegoo Jupiter. I thought the biggest printer I ever bought, and it was at that moment the biggest printer. But the Anycubic Max was even bigger, and I have it already there. But from the outer dimension, I don't know. It's looking huge, this machine. And of course the printing volume is huge as well. Okay, let's see if I can get it out of the box and how to get it out of the box. Are there any instructions? Nothing. No. Ah, magic. Magic. Ta-da! Why is it so huge? Cool. Okay. And I have to. Wow. That machine is really huge. Okay. Cool design. Looking like a cooling box. Okay, let's see if I can lift it out like that. Nope. But I guess no. A little 3D printer. You can print your own children. Whoa. Okay. Now, accessories, but I guess it's everything inside. Let's take a look. Let's take a look inside the door. Okay. Right? Can you go to the side, please? They can see. There, yeah, there. Okay. Ah, cool. Okay, what we have there? Okay. What's inside? Mask, gloves. Yeah. The standard tools. Ah, this is for the bottles, I guess. For the automatic refill function, I guess. The same cutter you get in every printer from every company. You get exactly this. I guess it's the only kind of the tool you have in worldwide. Okay. Manual mask tools, some screws. This the same. What we have here? Yeah, the air purifier. I'm not sure if I even installed it. I have some big suction system in the next room, so never mind. Okay, what else did we have here? A fab release film liner. What's a fab release film liner? This is the faux. I guess it's a faux and it's rolled. Oh, okay. It's for the wet tray. Okay, and here the build plate. The little build plate. And yeah, some like sanded furnish. Yeah, and same tip as usual. Clean it very well with isopropyl because the first prints most times not suck, because if some little thin film of machine oil or something still on top of that, it doesn't suck there.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, wait, Ray. Let me. Yes. Do it like that. Hey, it looks like a creeper. I'm a creeper. Creeper. Okay. Then, okay. That's massive. Looking quite more massive. Thank you. As the version of any comic of the M3 Max. But maybe I'm wrong. I have to place it next to each other. The difference is you have some entire metal built housing around here, and the M3 Max is just until here, and you have a clear top you can just remove entirely. Right, please. Okay, and here you have to assemble the, but I guess I cannot do it at the moment because it's too low. Somewhere like that. But I make a first print shortly because I want to see how good are the results. And yeah, here you have the tray included with the fat. Here's to place the butter. Oh, it's cool. I guess everything is already installed, so you just need to screw this into your bottle of resin, and then you can just place the bottle here somehow. It moves inside, I have to check. And just stay the bottle here, and they autofill inside the tray here. That's cool. Okay, and the tray is not tiny. Let's show you the tray. There's also some protective fill, I have to remove it anyway. Yeah, please. Screw. Because I make some tests right now, how the quality of the printer looks like, how the anti-aliasing function works, and so on. And then I show you the results. Okay. Okay. This is included here for the tank. Funny. I just don't know how the mechanism work. Or it is just quite simple. It's floating without a pump inside. Probably. That's maybe the case. I'm not sure. Because if the opening of the bottle is under the level of the liquid here, it will float inside automatically. It's maybe the attempt of the solution, but I'm not sure. Okay. Take care. It's broken if you touch it. Sorry. Okay, here protective film as well. Okay, I have to align it anyway, so I have to remove it and then place some sheet between and adjust it. And I'm not 100% sure how the leveling working here, because here you have screws, so you have to do it with your hand. Not sure. Yeah, I cannot do it right now. Okay, so thank you for watching. Soon I show you the print and how it's running. So thank you. Bye.